From the drone's aerial footage, a powerful scene unfolds over the Seversky Donets River near Rygorodka in the Lyman direction. A massive FAB-3000 bomb strikes with devastating force, tearing apart the bridge in a thunderous explosion. Geraniums are once again on the hunt. This time, their target is on the rails, near Shaska in the Sumy region. Footage captures the moment a Ukrainian train is struck with pinpoint precision. Even with protective grates shielding the locomotive, it stood no chance. Against the power of a Geranium-2 strike, there is nowhere to hide and no armor strong enough to endure. In the Krasnoarmaysky direction, the crew of a T-80BV tank from the Aleisk Guards motorized rifle unit of the Center Group of Forces delivered a precise strike on a Ukrainian stronghold and firing point. With powerful and accurate fire, the tank crew dismantled the fortified position, clearing the way for advancing Russian units on this sector of the front. On the constantly burning battlefield, the front lines have once again been shaken. Russian forces launched a deadly precision strike, hitting the headquarters of Ukraine's 116th Motorized Rifle Brigade in the Kupyansk region using modified FAB-250 smart bombs equipped with the UMPK system. Eyes in the sky. The Lancet spotted its target long before the crew even realized they were being watched. In the Kherson direction, the Ukrainian Bogdan self-propelled artillery unit was struck with deadly precision, leaving behind nothing but smoke and shattered metal. Another flawless strike by Russia's loitering hunters. Objective monitoring footage captures the moment a Geran-2 kamikaze drone struck a moving train in Shaska, Sumy Oblast. The impact was direct. A powerful explosion followed, sending shockwaves through the area as thick smoke rose over the strike zone. Another precise hit, delivered by Russia's long-range hunters. The Bravely units continue their advance in the Dnepropetrovsk region, storming the outskirts of Pokrovsk with steady momentum. Troops of the Center Group work tirelessly day and night, striking enemy infantry and equipment with precision. Supporting their offensive, Russian drone operators deliver pinpoint attacks that pave the way for ground forces to push forward. Footage from October 3rd captures the intensity of these operations. Explosions lighting up enemy positions, destroyed fortifications, and the heavy drone bombers striking with unrelenting accuracy. Near Novosergeyevka in the Kharkiv region, a Russian drone hunted again. With its capabilities, it successfully destroyed a Ukrainian Mastiff MRAP. Boom. One strike, one less target. The 6th Special Forces Brigade located and destroyed a large Ukrainian ammunition depot hidden deep in a forest. The blast lit up the trees, marking another precise and devastating hit on enemy logistics. Kherson remains cornered. Skillfully, the 49th Army Unit continues to deliver heavy blows to the Ukrainian armed forces. In the village of Vishnyovoye, there was a massive explosion. That's what happens when a FAB is used to strike Ukrainian troop positions, and the next village lies along the eastern route. A plume of black smoke was visible from several thousand feet above the ground. The smoke was from an explosion caused by an attack by scouts from the 6th Motorized Rifle Division of the Southern Group of Forces using a drone to discover a Ukrainian Armed Forces ammunition depot in the Kramatorsk and Drushkivka area. In stark black and white footage, FPV drones can be seen slipping through the battlefield like silent hunters. Operating guerrilla style, they weave past defenses, close in on their targets, and unleash devastating strikes on the Ukrainian Armed Forces ground robotic platforms. One by one, the machines are torn apart in precision attacks, their destruction captured in haunting detail. Fire from above. FAB bombs slammed into Ukrainian positions in Konstantinovka and Kupyansk Uzlovoy, tearing through enemy fortifications and lighting up the battlefield in flames. Another thunderous reminder: Russian air power rules the skies. The sky roared again. Aviators of the 11th Guards Army of the Aerospace Forces and Air Defense unleashed 3-ton air bombs on enemy positions in Gavrilovka, Dnepropetrovsk region. The massive strikes tore through fortifications, leaving the area engulfed in smoke and fire. Another powerful reminder of Russia's air dominance. On the fiery front lines of the battle in Kupyansk, history is being rewritten with explosions and courage. An epic clash is unfolding. The Groza-Leska FPV control system, with fiber optic cables that seem like the very lifelines of death, actively guides hunter drones toward their targets. The Guards troops of the 68th Division, part of Russia's Western Forces Group, relentlessly hunt their enemies day and night without rest. Their targets are clear: ground-based robotic platforms, advanced military equipment hidden behind ruins, and autumn foliage. Russian drones are on the hunt again. This time, fighters from the southern group destroyed a Ukrainian Cossack armored vehicle and disrupted the rotation of the Ukrainian armed forces. Even more impressively, they attacked the enemy's temporary base. In a precise and devastating strike near Dronovka, FPV drone operators from the 7th Brigade unleashed a wave of destruction on Ukrainian positions. Within moments, 3 vital communication antennas were reduced to smoldering wreckage, severing enemy links on the battlefield. A BMP-2 infantry fighting vehicle and a military ATV met the same fiery fate, engulfed in flames as the drones struck with pinpoint accuracy. Footage captures the dramatic destruction of an enemy BMP-2 infantry fighting vehicle. At first, the vehicle was damaged by a remotely placed mine, though the blast wasn't enough to fully disable it. To finish the job, FPV drones were deployed. Despite being shielded by a protective net, the BMP-2 stood little chance against the relentless drone strikes. After several precise hits, the armored vehicle was finally obliterated in a powerful explosion, sending thick black smoke billowing high into the sky. The footage opens with the eerie sight of an abandoned-looking building, silent and still against the backdrop of war. Within seconds, an Elmer missile streaks toward its target, striking the deployment point of the 110th Troops Brigade in the Dnepropetrovsk region with devastating precision. That's all for today's update. Thanks for watching, and don't miss our upcoming videos.